seller kindly, I think, included a USB A to C for charging. Let's just see. So it looks like this. It looks like a vinyl, and then does it has any? I think it has a little magnet in there. Stay in place. And look at it, guys. So this is like a trackpad, and also num lock. That's how you charge it, via the USB-C, and you turn it on. And as you can see, it's on Bluetooth 1, and that's the battery status. So the battery should show you, I've seen when I was charging it, it would be red, and then when it's fully charged it's green. So let's see if we can learn how to move it. Okay, so this, see if it works with the FN. Yeah, you press FN and the battery, which is question mark, and it will show you the battery status. To change Bluetooth, let's see if we can figure it out without looking. Not really. Yeah, because I want to see how you change the Bluetooth. Okay, I give up. I need to check, see if it says in here. I think it was at some point. Pairing the second device, it's FN and the S key, which is B2. Okay, yeah, makes sense now. So you see it says Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2, Bluetooth 3. So you do this and then you change it. So we are on FN Bluetooth 1, as you can see. So let's just use an iPhone, because we have one in here. So I'm gonna go in the Bluetooth, in the settings, turn the Bluetooth on, and to put it in pairing mode, let's see if we have to press and hold. Yeah, as you can see, it's flickering, and it comes up in here as F01, which is the name. You just tap on it, and then when it connects, the flashing should stop. So it's asking you if you want to pair. So now it's paired. So let's see if I do this. Is it operating as a trackpad? Maybe not for Apple. But the only clicky button seems to be the enter. So let me just go into notes and then just start typing something, and let's create a new notes. Yeah, it's not bad. Fortunately, I don't know, it doesn't seem like, can I put numbers? Let's see, how do we enable this num? At the moment, it doesn't do anything. Num. So FN and that, and num is on, so now it should allow me, yeah, it's allowing me. So you press enter and you can add numbers. As you can see, I'm adding numbers. Yeah, star, blah blah. So how do I use it as a trackpad? Let me see. So you also move it to iOS by the looks of it. The numbers are still working, but okay, let's go and look again, see what it says. If you want to use the iOS, these are all the combination, blah blah. So switch to iOS. Let's try this one more time. My phone just locked its screen. I mean, because num is on, you just take off num, change it to iOS again, FN iOS, that's it. Doesn't want to do it. Maybe it has some limitations. I think he was saying somewhere in here. So charge cap lock. Let me just figure out this a bit. Yeah, so the trackpad doesn't seem to be doing much on an iPhone, but it does work on Android. So, and obviously on a laptop, but nothing on the. You see, like, I mean, enter works. Unfortunately, it doesn't even allow you to swipe between. I don't know if it's a limitation with the Apple products. I don't see where it says. I mean, it definitely works when you do nums lock. You know, just you can tap numbers, but if I want to use it just as I can't do it. This is like if you use caps lock, but yeah. Can I increase the volume? Yeah, you see, you can even increase the volume, decrease the volume. I guess iPhone just doesn't have this maybe capability with the mouse. So these are the things you could do. You have 3 fingers. Anyway, let's not waste time with the Apple products because Apple is always difficult. But yeah, I can't do it. Maybe on the iPad it works, but on iPhone it doesn't use this. But you can clearly type, and you can do all kind of other things. Okay, guys. So just to show you, I've paired this, as you can see, on Bluetooth 2 with a laptop. And as you can see, the trackpad works. Yeah. So I don't know why. Obviously, with Windows, it didn't want to work. Let's see how typing it is in. Just type quickly on a notepad. Yeah, very nice. And then if we put note, tap. Oh, come on. See, I'm still using the trackpad on that. FN nums is on. Still so for some reason this is with a delay, as you can see. So I'm trying to type 7. He was doing the plus. It could be that it's working differently. Yeah, it's not a fault to this, it's just we need to read the instructions properly because it has different functionality. Let's just make sure it did change to Windows. So FN, Windows. Yeah, I mean, it's very weird because some of the things work, and it's kind of like taking the arrows rather than, you see, this is like, so this is like the, so this is like the arrows. So it has different functionality. I don't know, it's best to read the instructions, but it definitely works. So yeah, because it works with so many other devices, it could be that I haven't pressed on something in here, but otherwise most of the functionality, it works. So yeah, we just need to learn how to use it. So yeah, thanks for watching.